tasweeq, powering the world we live in. The state of Qatar is located on the east coast of the Arabian Peninsula, surrounded by the Arabian Gulf. It has the highest average growth rate in the GCC and the highest income per capita in the world. The source of this success and rapid growth is ongoing increases in production and exports of energy products. Qatar is one of the world's major energy exporting nations and largest exporter of liquefied natural gas, LNG, with proven natural gas reserves of 900 trillion cubic feet, the third largest in the world. tasweeq, which literally means marketing in Arabic, began operations in 2008 to market and sell the petroleum products and sulfur produced by the state of Qatar.
tasweeq was established with a purpose to deliver Qatar's energy to the globe. It is an independent company, wholly owned by the state of Qatar, with a mandate to increase Qatar's share in the international market.
tasweeq is the state sole marketer for petroleum products export from the state of Qatar. tasweeq's mandate to market and sell all refined products produced in Qatar, including GTL naphtha and GTL jet, different types of condensates, liquefied petroleum gas, and sulfur, so-called regulated products. In addition to that, tasweeq entered into an agency agreement with Qatar Petroleum to market Qatar Petroleum crude oil entitlements, which cover 4 types of crude: Qatar Land, Qatar Marine, Al Shaheen, and Al Rayyan. Also, it manages all the local petroleum sales inside Qatar and all marketing aspects related to local projects and overseas projects.
tasweeq manages the marketing aspects of Qatari crude. Since 2009, tasweeq has been marketing and selling 4 types of crude known as non-regulated products. About 35 cargoes of crude are exported monthly from Qatar efficiently and effectively. In addition, part of tasweeq mandate is to ensure that domestic supply or demand requirements are met.
Regulated products and non-regulated products are in high demand throughout the world, particularly in Asia, where exponential growth is driving demand.
Qatar is major energy supplier for Japan, and 11% of the crude oil and 18% of LNG in Japanese imports are coming from Qatar. tasweeq is in collaboration with Japanese various companies to fulfill the energy demand in Japan.
Demand for refined products worldwide continues to grow. Refined products are primarily transport fuels such as motor gasoline, diesel and jet fuel. They are produced in refineries at Ras Laffan and Messaid.
Ras Gas is the largest gas producer in Qatar, producing over 9 billion cubic foot per day of gas. A substantial part of Ras Gas revenue is generated through tasweeq by the resale of these petroleum products to a wide range of customers around the globe.
Various grades of naphtha are produced from Qatar's refineries and gas plants. Naphtha is typically used as feedstock for other refineries to produce high-octane gasoline and as feedstock into petrochemical plants. tasweeq exports 6 grades totaling over 7 million tons per year of naphtha.
tasweeq operates on a global scale. We are delivering our export products all over the world, 45 million tons of regulated products and 700,000 barrels per day for crude, which is equivalent to 130 cargoes per month, around 4 cargoes per day.
BP has purchased a significant volume of refined products from tasweeq, notably jet fuel, gas oil and processed fuel condensate. tasweeq is an important trading partner for BP in the Middle East, and their business has grown significantly since they were set up.
우리 회사는 tasweeq 탱크사로부터 LPG, 납사, 콘덴세이트를 구매하여 다양한 석유화학 및 석유 제품을 생산하는 데 사용하고 있습니다.
High on the list of priorities for tasweeq are environmental issues.
Along with tasweeq's excellent performance, many of tasweeq's products contribute towards a cleaner environment. This is in line with the Qatar National Vision 2030, which emphasizes that economic development and protection of the environment are imperatives, neither of which should be at the expense of the other.
Liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG, burns cleanly with very low sulfur emissions and no soot. It poses no ground or water pollution hazards. LPG is the collective name for propane and butane, which are versatile gas compounds that are in high demand for domestic, industrial and transportation purposes. tasweeq markets and supplies these commodities to the Asia-Pacific market.
tasweeq has become the largest supplier of LPG. From 0.7 million metric ton of LPG, now Indian Oil has entered into a term contract for 1.35 million metric ton of LPG, but they have supply against this of 1.6 million metric ton of LPG, and India itself is importing 1.9 million metric tons.
Qatar is also home to the largest gas-to-liquids, or GTL, plants in the world. GTL products offer significant advantages in many applications as they are water white, odorless, contain no sulfur and are kind to the environment. Most refineries and gas processing facilities in Qatar are equipped with desulfurization capabilities. Sulfur is an important industrial raw material used in the manufacturing of paper and building materials such as cement filler and asphalt. It is also widely used in the manufacturing of fertilizer and insecticides, vital to the production of crops.
Dolphin is a strategic project connecting the network between Qatar, UAE and Oman. We have our products, the liquid product, which is produce the condensate, we have the LPG, we have the ethane, and we have the sulfur. Other than the ethane, all are marketed through tasweeq.
With the diligence of a highly professional team, tasweeq is able to fulfill its vision to deliver Qatar's energy to the globe.
tasweeq employs a multicultural workforce representing over 25 nationalities. At tasweeq, we foster teamwork, innovation, continuous improvement, and mutual respect.
tasweeq is fulfilling its mission to empower the world by delivering Qatar's energy wherever it is needed.
We are extremely proud of our business partnership with tasweeq and the success we have made so far.
See, tasweeq is practically our largest supplier of LPG, and we have a very strong relationship with them.
We found them to be extremely professional and cooperative in all areas of the business.
tasweeq will continue to function as a responsible global citizen, expanding and looking at opportunities to satisfy the customers' growing demand for petroleum products.
From crops to cars, scooters to jets, refinery to household. tasweeq, delivering Qatar's energy to the globe, reliably, efficiently and responsibly.